Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? Hope all the class 2 students they are very fit and fine. And I am hoping that you all are doing studies also at your homes. Right, so dear students, you have already seen the I think 4 part of the chapter 15 season, and this is part number 5th. This is number 5th. Okay, part number 5th. Right, so in this lecture I already told you that we will do the remain exercise of the chapter. So I am hoping that all the students have their EVS book as well as a notebook in the hand, and they will do the entire exercise along with me. Right, so in the last lecture we have done the new words of the chapter and the tick the correct option. Exercise number 1 and the new words of the chapter, we have done both the things in the last lectures. So it's time to do the remain exercise. So your EVS notebook of class 2 is in my hand, and I am going to take out the page number 9090, page number 9090, and we will do this wali exercise. Beta, we will do this exercise. We will do this wali exercise. Exercise number B. Name the seasons for these months. Right? So we will do this. So all are you ready? All of you ready? So shall I start? Okay. So first I am going to write the heading. Name the season for these months. Name the seasons for these months. Name the seasons for these months. It means here in the question number 1, May and June. So during May and June, which season will go on? We have to write the name of that particular season. So let's see what is number 1. Number 1, it is given over here. Number 1, May and June. May and June. So these 2 months, May and June, these 2 months are the hottest month of the year in India. These 2 months are the hottest month of the year in India. So the hottest month means what? Which season? Here we will talk about the season of summer, because during summer season the hot and dry wind blow, and that wind we will call the Lu. So we will write over here the name of the season is summer. And what is the spelling of summer? S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. So I will write over here the summer. Okay. Now let's see number 2, July and October. What months has given over here? July and October. Okay. So number 2, J-U-L-Y, July and October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. So July month is the month of rainy season. July month is the month of rainy season, and sometimes it seems that the rainy season will go on in the month of October as well. Last year we have seen, and this year also we have seen, the rainfall. The rainy season is there, है ना? जो rainy season की जो विदाई होती है, that विदाई is basically in on month of October. So what we will write over here? We will write the monsoon over here. We will write the monsoon over here. MONSOON, monsoon. Alright, let's see number 3, September and October. September and October. September, this wala part which I will write once again for you. September and October. So September and October is basically the autumn season, beta. In this season the leaves of trees, they means what I can say that trees left their leaves, है ना? Trees starts removing the leaves, and the new shades of the leaf will come on after this autumn season. Okay, so autumn season is basically the season when the new leaves, new hopes will come, है ना? Autumn in Hindi we can call it पतझड़. जब पेड़ों से सारे पत्ते गिरने लगते हैं, so that season is called autumn season. That season is called autumn season. And have you ever think why the leaves actually remove to the tree? Why is it happening? This you will learn when you will go in class 3, because there is a green chlorophyll kind of pigment is there in the leaf. So because of that pigment, the color of leaf is green, and then because of that chlorophyll, the leaf is attached to the stem. When the chlorophyll is slowly going to finish, so the color of leaf is changed into yellow, and after sometimes it will leave the tree. Right? So number 1 mein I will write summer season. Number 2 mein I will write the monsoon. And number 3 mein I will write autumn. Right? Number 4, December and January. Number 4. December and January. December and January. So which season is this? Right now January month is going on, and the last month of the year is December. So basically these 2 months we will enjoy a lot the season, and the name of that season is winter season. So I will write winter over here. Winter. Let's see what is number 5th. February and March. Number 5th. March. February and March. This is the most pleasant time of the year and the weather is very pleasant actually. So the name of the season is spring. Flowers bloom everywhere in spring season, and spring season butterfly loved this season. So I will write spring over here. Alright. So write along with me in your book. May and June summer, July and October monsoon, September and October autumn, December and January winter, February and March spring. Right? So I hope you took this screenshot and I am going to rub the board and we will do the next exercise. Okay, so let's see the next exercise. The next exercise is complete the words. The next exercise is complete the words. Okay, so complete the words. It means here only one word is given. We have to make it complete. We have to make it complete because all these are the incompleted. So let's see what are these. Number one, we love to eat it on hot days. We love to eat. We love to eat it on a hot day. A hot day. So what we should love to eat during hot day? Hot day means here hot day means the summer season. So what thing we all are loving actually during summer season to eat? So the ice cream. What we are loving to eat during summer season? Ice cream. Ice cream. So we all love to eat ice cream during summer season. The spelling of ice cream I wrote little small. Ice cream. Let's see what is number two. We love to drink it on a cold day. Number two, we love to drink it on a cold day. So what we should love to drink on a cold day? Cold day means here is talking about the winter season. So what we should love to eat or what we love actually to eat during winter season? So your answer is tea. Okay, everybody love to drink tea, especially during winter season. Nobody will, when anybody is offered the tea during winter season or coffee, we actually accept the offer of that particular man or woman. So we are not refusing. No, 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 we don't have tea actually. During summer season, we can refuse the offer of tea, offer of coffee, but during winter season, nobody will refuse the offer of tea and coffee, because the winter season actually we love to drink hot things like tea, coffee and different kinds of soups. So tea is the right answer. Let's write. Number 3. We wear this on a rainy day. We wear this on a rainy day. So what we wear on the rainy day when rain is there? So what we all are using? We all are using raincoats. We all are using raincoats. Okay, now let's see number 4. We see them in the sky on a rainy day. We see them in the sky on a rainy day. On a rainy day. So what we actually are all are enjoying to see? Clouds. We see them in the sky on a rainy day, clouds, or clouds, and we can write the rainbow also. Both the things are right, so you can write both the things. We see it after the next one is given over here. Let's see what is number 5. We see it after the rain stop. Number 5th is we see it after rain stops. So what actually we see when rain will stop? So we all will see the nice colorful rainbow, and there are 7 colors actually in our rainbow. Okay, so the answer is rainbow. So I am going to write rainbow. Rainbow. Okay, so whatever I wrote with the colored chalk, that is your answer. You have to mention these answers in your book. If you want to write in the notebook, you can write it, no problem. So I am not in front of the screen. Take the screenshot. Some spellings are actually not proper. Now I adjust the camera for you so you can see all the spellings. Number 1, we love to eat it on a hot day. Hot day means here in the book is talk about the summer season, and summer season is especially for the ice creams and different type of juice. So the ice cream word will come over here because I will given in the answer. Number 2, we love to drink it on the cold day. Cold day means here we are talking about the winter season, and when anybody will offer you to tea, to have the coffee, so nobody is actually refusing to have the tea and coffee in winter season. Number 3, we wear this on a rainy day, so obviously we cannot wear umbrella. We will use umbrella Exercise number D we will do. Exercise number D we will do. So I am rubbing the board and I am hoping that you all are completing along with me. Right? This time I am using chalk and board and I am using for long time. I am not happy actually. Yes. So, in which season do you enjoy? Use the following. So, here some pictures are given. I will see you. I will make you see actually in the camera. See this valley exercise. We will do exercise number D. In which season do you enjoy? Use the following. So, there are some pictures are given in the book. एक तो bonfire, picture number 1 is bonfire, number 2 the juicy glass, number 3 the umbrella, number 4 is the goggle, number 5 is the scarf and number 6 is the raincoat. So we should write what actually in the blank places. So we have to write the name of the season in the blank places. What we should write in the blank places? So we should write the season, right? So picture number 1 में bonfire. During winter season, what we are doing actually, we all are burning the bonfire, and around bonfire we all will sit and we all will enjoy. So, and this is actually happening. This is actually the Punjabi people also doing on the occasion of Lohri. They have the bonfire, and around the bonfire they are enjoying, they are dancing, they are eating different kinds of delicious foods. Right? So during winter season we all will enjoy the bonfire actually. So what you will write? When you will see the picture number 1, you will write winter season. Number 1 में you will write winter. Number 2 is the yellow juicy glass. So we all will have the different kinds of juice during summer season. So we will write what? We will write summer. Number 2 में we will write summer. Summer is the season when always we all are feeling thirsty, so we all will enjoy the different kinds of juice. And picture number 3, there is an umbrella. So we all are using umbrella during rainy season. Number 4, goggles. Usually nowadays everybody is using goggles, whether it is a rainy season or it is a winter season or it is a summer season, no matter. Everybody is using goggles during riding the bicycles or driving the cars. It is necessary to all of us to protect our eyes. So everybody is using goggles. So, and all the time you all are using, but especially during summer seasons. So again, the answer is same, summer. Number 5 is scarf. During winter season we all are using woolen scarves, and during summer season we all are using the cotton scarves. And the rainy season, number 6, so we all are using the raincoat in a rainy season. Right? So, I will not in front of the board. Write it fast. Take it a screenshot. Okay, I am hoping that you have took the screenshot. Now it's time to write the question and the answers. The last but not least, question and the answers. So your heading should be answer these questions. Exercise number E. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. So let's see what is question number 1. Question number 1 is name the main season in India. Question number 1. Name the main season in India. So what are the main season of India? Actually I already told you, and I told you so many times that we Indians are actually very lucky because we have all types of season and we can enjoy each and every season. But some part of the other countries, they don't have the all types of season actually. And I gave you the example of Dubai also, है ना? So in India we have summer, monsoon, winter and spring. The main season. So let's write your answer. The main season in India are summer season, comma, monsoon, comma, winter and spring. Here I am not going to write about autumn because autumn season it's not given in your book, so I am not going to write. I am not discussing about the autumn season over here. So monsoon, winter and the last spring. Spring season is the most beautiful season because the weather is very pleasant at that time. Okay. Yes. All right. So, question number 2. Let's write with me. Write with good handwriting. No dirty handwriting. How we can keep ourselves cool in summer season? How we can keep ourselves cool in summer? Question you can write also from your book. So how we can keep ourselves cool during summer season? So we can by wearing the cotton clothes we can keep cool our body. So there are so many ways to keep the body cool actually during summer time, है ना? So let's write here answer number 2. There are so many ways to make yourself, so make ourself, make ourselves cool in summer season. In summer season. So, number 1, always wear cotton clothes. Wear cotton clothes. Number 2, enjoy different type of enjoy different types of cold drink. And number 3, use fans, cooler and AC. Beta, answer number 2 is actually not coming properly on the board, so I am going to rub it. Answer number 2 जो है वो प्रॉपर तरीके से बोर्ड पर नहीं आ रहा है पूरा, so I am going to rub this. Because this answer is quite long. I will write upside, and I am hoping that you wrote the answer number 1, so I am going to rub it. And I will write the answer number 2 upside. Okay? So, allow me to rub it. My board is very long, but the capacity of camera cannot capture it nicely, the whole answer. That's why I should rub. Okay, so once again let's write the question number 2. How can we keep ourselves cool? Question number 2. How can we keep ourselves cool in summer. What is answered in the question? It is answered in the question that what are the various way to follow to keep our body cool during summer time? Because summer time, when the wind is not actually cool, wind is very dry and hot, and that wind is called the loo, and we all are actually not liking the loo, hot air. We usually are not liking. So what are the various way to keep ourselves cool during summer seasons? Right? So let's write the answer. There are so many ways to keep ourselves cool in summer. So what are the various ways? Number one, wear cotton clothes. Wear always cotton clothes during summer season, right? Number two, enjoy cold drinks. And use, number three, we use fan, coolers, and air condition. Air, spelling of condition. Oh, I am writing over here. Conditioner. Okay. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Let's see what is question number 3. What is asked in the question?
Cool and cold. Cool and cold.
Okay, let's write question number 3. Last but not least, question number 3. Why is rain important to farmers? Why rain is very important to farmers? Because when rainy season is there, if rain will not come actually in a proper quantity, then farmers can suffer the condition of drought. And when the condition of drought is there, so how farmers can grow the crops? So that is, rain is very important for all of us actually. But rain is more important rather than us to farmers, because farmers can grow their crops during rainy season, and rain play a very important role during in farmers' life, because their occupation is farming, and farming in India, farming is completely depends on the rain. Most of the part of the most of the farmers actually of India, they are depends completely on the rain. for irrigation in their fields. So that is the reason the rain is very important to farmers to grow nice crops. If farmers can grow the nice crops, then we can get the good food. If farmers is not in a condition to grow proper crops, how we can get the food? So rain is very important to farmers to grow crops. Answer number 3. Rain is important to farmer to grow crops. Because the 70% of Indian population actually they have their occupation is farming, है ना? And farming in India, farming is mostly depends on the rain. If rain is good, farmers are very happy because they can get the good crops. If the rain is not actually good, so farmer face the lots of problem in their farming. So rain is very necessary, not only for farmers but all of us. So I am not in front of the board again. Write the answers. Question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 2, how we can keep ourselves cool in summer? So there are so many ways to keep ourselves cool in summer. Number 1, wear cotton clothes. Number 2, enjoy cold drinks. Number 3, we use fan, coolers and air conditioners. Why is rain important to farmers? Rain is important to farmer to grow crops. So dear students, here we are finishing the chapter number 15, seasons. I hope that you learnt, you get the knowledge of all about of the season and the weather and the what kinds of things actually we all are using during that particular season. So I am hoping that you all enjoyed to learn about this chapter. So I am going to wind up my lecture. When we will meet in the next lecture, then I will start the new chapter. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all. Keep complete your notebook with good handwriting, because soon we will declare your annual exam dates. So I am hoping that you all are doing studies well at your homes. So bye.